If the cost of carpeting a floor is $2.50 per square foot, how much will it cost to carpet a rectangular floor that is 10 feet by 12 feet? So first of all, we need to know what are we trying to find, and we're trying to find how much will it cost to carpet a rectangular floor. So we're looking for the cost. It's going to cost us $2.50 per square foot, and we have a rectangular floor 10 feet by 12 feet. So the first thing I'm going to do, since I'm very visual, I'm going to draw me a rectangular floor. So there's my rectangle, and I know that it is 10 feet by 12 feet. And one thing you need to know, we're carpeting a floor. So that is area, because it's going all the way over. We're covering everything, so we're looking at area. If we were just going around the edges, then we'd be looking at a perimeter. And also the square footage should be a little bit of a hint. Area is always in square feet, or in square something. So it's always squared. Whatever that might be, square feet, inches, miles, whatever we're talking about. All right, so we need to know how to find the area of a rectangle, and that is area equals length times width. And we know our length and width. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just plug in what we're given. Okay, so area equals 10 times 12. So we're looking at 120 square feet. That's what we're going to have to cover. But now 120 is not what it was asking, so you need to be careful, because if you notice answer B is 120, so you might want to go, ooh, 120, I have the answer. However, that's the square footage. We're looking for the cost. It will, for the carpet to cover this 120 square feet. So we need the $2.50 per square feet. So I'm going to take 120 and multiply it by 250. And when you do your multiplication, you'll end up with 300. So 120 times 250 is $300. So that's what it's going to cost us to cover this floor. And also on the multiplication, you can use a calculator. However, if you do not have a calculator handy, we may have to do it long multiplication, kind of like long division. We'll do it the good old-fashioned by hand. And you remember, do 0 times 0, 0 times 2, 0 times 1. Leave a space. 5 times 0, 5 times 2 is 10. And carry the 1. That's going to be 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And then I do 2 spaces. 2 times 0, 2 times 2, 2 times 1. And then we just add. And remember, this is the number of decimal spaces we go over, 1, 2. And as you can see, we get 300.